chẳng này đời giờ tụi cặp này mệt phèn bên này dâm cặp từ bên này từ phèn từ tòng từ này từ bên mấy từ phèn thế này anh nấu từ đây anh nấu tạo thành lại khai khăn này tạo cho bạn nó hình tượng nhậu này thì có bởi
bữa là chị sẽ nôm với lại vấn đề nắng nằm hả nè vấn đề nó bởi ai hả thà pha chỉ chết pha chỉ lựa pha chỉ chết cả bữa là nít buông hả nít buông có về mà đồ đi bông là có tổ cũng mà có ăn nồng nên là
got open here, got the beehives. Looks like there's no honeys yet producing here. They're hatching. Looks nice and healthy here. So these are the honey nukes. Probably gonna be on this side right here. As you can see, these will be the broodlings. See how they're spawning out of it, starting to spawn out. Looks as though the queen will be in this one, somewhere in this bundle. They're super protective of the queen, so they'll be swarming around the queen. So that's how you could tell where the queen is. Let's just check the rest of these. Look at that. It's almost producing here. See all that pollen on them. So since it looks like they're populating fast, I might add another layer. Honey's not producing yet, but should be all right. I'm gonna add these extra ones on top. I'm gonna put one extra, save one for extra when I harvest the honey. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me, y'all. Don't get crushed. Excuse me. All right. We got more room. So the first 5 will be honey. They're just gonna build straight on top, just like how they were. They had the honeycombs here, the broodlings on this side. They're just gonna build right up top. Saw the queen is most likely in the middle, or the one right next to it. When she doesn't really like light, so when the light hits, she's gonna probably go down more. We're fine here. I'm gonna cap this off. Might cut a hole here somewhere later on. Let's do this. Actually, before I go. Just right on the top. Crazy. Little smoke on the top. Put the smoke on the top, and they'll start going down. A little room so you don't hurt them or nothing here. Also blow with your, they don't like human breath or animal breath. Just blow to get them off the top here. Don't pressure any of them here. Just give them a little shake. A little shake. Right out. That's fine. Let's put it back in. This guy's situated here. There you go. Forgot to bring my scraping tool. I bring my scraping tool, so I'm gonna replace it with the new one. I'll scrape this off. It's gonna be maybe for another 1 or 2 weeks. So no harvest yet, but hopefully in a week or two we'll get more pollen and return all the stuff. Let's get these off real quick. Get these off and then have this for the next batch.